Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're out at the pond and there's been a lot of fish moving. I've just been here a few minutes and I've already seen a ton of fish moving. We're gonna get out in the kayak. I've got the spin reel, I've got my fly rod too. Got a bunch of flies that I've tied. We're gonna see if we can catch some fish. There's fish. Oh, it's a bluegill. Oh, there it goes. That's a pretty good bluegill. Look at those iris. There's fish. There we go. That's a pretty good bass. Look at him. It's a good one. It's a nice one. On the little chartreuse spinnerbait. Let's get him back. This cast's about to be a fish. Calling it. Ooh. Okay, we're about to catch this fish. He hit that soon as it hit the water. I was hung in the weeds and I pulled it out of the weeds. Oh, now of course I get hung on something. I'm scared. As soon as I pulled it off those weeds, he hit it. Oh, oh, oh. It chased it up. It's probably reeling it too fast. All right, come on. Look at that. Look at that. Look what it did to that. I gotta bend it back straight. Alright. I'm gonna get this fish. Oop. There we go. A little smaller than the other. Still a good one. There we go. Get him back. There's fish. Big bluegill. Oh. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, I can get my finger in his mouth. There we go. A good bluegill. There's fish. Oh. That was a good one. That was a good one too. I wonder, could that fish should still be there. There's no way. There we go. I can see it come up behind it. There we go. Oh, look at him. There we go. That's a good one. Let's send him back. I think there's 3 fish in this corner here. Or, well, I've seen fish move in 3 different places. Make sure there's one right there, one there, and one back in there. Though I might have scared that closest one. Oh, there he is. There we go. That's a good one. There we go. That's a good one. Not too big. It's a decent one. Oh, come on. That's such a good cast. Oh! I was about to say that was such a good cast. There's no way I don't get a fish. My reel's about to fall off. Hold on. There's a little one. Oh. Well. There's a fish. That's a pretty good one. Let me stand up. That sure is fine, huh? Oh, okay. Come on up. Okay. Come here. Don't shake. Ooh. There we go. That's a nice one. Look at him. That's a good one. I almost want to weigh him, but I'm not. That's a good one. Here, we'll measure him real quick. Alright, lips on the 1. There's 15 right there. Alright, to my thumb right here is 15. So he's about 17, 18 inches. 18 inches. I'd say 18 inches. That's a good one. Alright, I'm gonna get him back. The mosquitoes are terrible, man. We got these humongous mosquitoes. They're so big and they hurt. But they're not like the little ones where it's just like annoying. These hurt. And they're just about covering the surface of the pond. They're everywhere. They're terrible. There's another on my wrist. Just squished it. So that's going to be it for today. I'm going to have to come back another afternoon with some bug spray and a bunch of little fly lures just to see just how many bluegill or crappie I can catch, I guess. Which would be a fun video for sure. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See you next time.